Bootstrap pagination component is used to display the paging in our web page. Generally, we do not want to load or display bulk of data in a single page. Instead, we want to display some set of data in one page, and in the next page we want to display next set of data. So paging functionality allow us to break a large chunk of data in a smaller subset and display them on different pages. We may have different mechanism in different programming languages to break the larger data into a smaller subset, but here in this video I am going to demonstrate Bootstrap pagination component, which provides a user interface for the pagination. On the backend, we can use different approaches to break the data as per depend on the server side programming language. So let's implement Bootstrap pagination component. Here I am on page home.html. I have removed the header component on the top as we no longer require that. So suppose we want to implement our pagination component at bottom of the article, as we may have multiple articles and we want to display some article in one page and next article in next pages. So let's implement. So here I am on project responsive website demo, in which we are working on. So here inside the container section we have multiple article, and bottom of the article we want to display our navigation component. So let's paste the code for the navigation component. Bootstrap pagination component uses the nav element. Inside the nav element we have a UL of class pagination. Here the important part is to understand that we have to provide a class pagination to display a pagination component. Inside the UL we have multiple li element. Each li element displays one page. So first and last li component displays the previous and next button. So here ampersand LAQUO represents the previous icon and ampersand RAQUO represents the next icon. So let's save the changes and refresh our page. So here now we can see that we have a pagination component on the bottom of articles, and leftmost button indicate the previous and lastmost button indicate the last, and in between we have different pages. So here we can see that this element is not in the center, so let's add class to make it center. So here we can use class text center to make it in the middle of the page. Also we can provide a class active to highlight a particular page. Suppose if I want to make the page 2 as the current page, then I can mention class active on this particular li element, and if I want to disable particular page, then I can use class disable at this element. So let's save the changes and refresh our page. So now we can see that this pagination element is now in the middle of the page, and our particular page 2 is highlighted and page 5 is marked as disabled. Bootstrap also provides two more classes, pagination LG and pagination SM. Pagination LG class displays the pagination controls with the larger font, and pagination SM class displays the pagination control with smaller font. So let's implement. So here now let's first add class pagination small, and let's save the changes. And now we can see that we have a smaller pagination, and if we change the pagination SM to pagination LG, then we have larger pagination as compared to previous.